The Steam Weekend is not just about steam vehicles or steam trains, it's also about vintage cars, and there's some of these cars that actually do go back to the steam age, and also there's a few cars here in this rally that are actually a bit younger than our Land Rover. Maybe we should have put our Land Rover in to this rally. I used to watch a programme called The Professionals back in the 1970s. I look back at it now and think it was utter rubbish, but that was the rubbish that we watched in the 70s. And quite a few of these cars remind me exactly of that period. This is really quite amazing. It was a prototype 1939 folding caravan. Because of the World War II breaking out in September 1939, it never went into production. Oh, it's amazing, this. Yeah, this definitely brings back memories of the Sweeney and the Professionals back in the 1970s, where we were all wearing flared trousers, kipper ties and platform cells. On earth did we ever survive the 70s?